Hello kids, today we will be learning a chapter from our English literature, chapter number 1. But before that, let me tell you a story. This story is about a girl whose name is Pukan, and the story is about her and her family. So let's begin. Pukan is a little girl. She is 6 years old. She lives in a small red house in Goa. Sam is her father. He is a chef in a very big hotel. Do you know who is chef? Chef is a professional cook, especially the head cook in a hotel, restaurant, etc. Now, her mother's name is Anu. She is an artist. She paints picture. Now, artist can be either in the singing field, dancing, painting, or any other creative field. But Pukan's mother is a painter. She is an artist. She paints pictures. Sam, Pukan's father, cooks for the family on Monday and Tuesday. Her mother Anu cooks on Wednesday and Thursday, whereas her grandma cooks on Friday and Saturday. So kids, can you tell me how many days are there in a week? Right, there are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Now, can you tell me in Pukan's family who would be cooking on Sunday? No one, because the family goes out to eat on Sundays. Pukan's grandpa take her to school. His name is David. Pukan call her grandpa. Now Ragini is the name of her grandma. She has a bakery. She bakes delicious cake. She sells cakes and biscuits. Now, here's another member in their family. Its name is Kiddy. Pukan takes Kiddy to the park every afternoon. Pukan loves Kiddy very much. Everyone in the family help each other after the dinner. Pukan's father plays a guitar and everyone joins in singing. Every night her mother tells her a bedtime story. Kiddy also listens to the stories and wags his tail. Now what do you mean by wag? Wag means to move forward and backward. The way the dogs shake their tail, that is called wagging. Wags his tail while listening to the stories. Kiddy sleeps beside her bed. And do you know what Kiddy eats? 1 egg every day in the dinner. He watches their house like a watchdog. He looks after the house. So, this was the story of a girl named Pukan. Now let us read it. Okay? Now let's do the reading part. Let's now read about Pukan's family. Pukan, this is Pukan. She is 6 years old. She lives in a small red house in Goa. Sam is her father. Sam is a chef. He works in a very big hotel. Her mother, Anu, is an artist. She paints pictures. Sam cooks for the family every Monday and Tuesday. Anu cooks every Wednesday and Thursday. Grandma cooks every Friday and Saturday. On Sunday, the family goes out to eat. This is David. Puckin calls him Grandpa. Puckin goes to school with her grandfather. See, her grandfather is taking her to school. Now next. This is Ragini. Puckin calls her grandma. Ragini makes delicious cakes. She has a bakery. She sells cakes and biscuits. Kiddy also lives with Puckin. He is a family member too. She takes Kiddy to the park every afternoon. In the evening, the family has dinner together. Always remember, kids, the family that eats together stays together. So, don't forget to have your dinner or your meal with your family. It bonds you with your family. Now, let's move to our chapter. After dinner, mother and grandpa do the dishes. They are cleaning the dishes. Who? Mother and grandfather. They both are helping each other. Grandma makes milkshake for everyone. Wow, that is so cool. Grandma makes milkshake for all. Puckin helps grandma clean the table. Now here also see Puckin is helping her grandma to clean the table. Then dad plays his guitar and sings. Everyone joins in the singing. Now this is called a family time. At night, Anu reads to Puckin. Kiddy also listens to the stories. He wags his tail at the end. He always has an egg for dinner. He sleeps on a mat beside Puckin's bed. Now see, he is sleeping beside her bed. He guards the house at night. Who do you think is a Kiddy? Now, can you tell me who is Kiddy? Yes, he is a pet dog. So kids, here we have come to the end of our today's session. That is, we have read and seen about Puckin and her family. This is your chapter number 1 of English literature. But it's not enough, kids. You have to learn few new words which is introduced in this lesson. So I'm going to read some few words, and if you find some difficult word in the chapter, you can also learn it. Now the first word is house. Second is wakes, father, chef, hotel, mother, artist, pictures, family, mother again, guitar, bakery, biscuits, Wednesday, member, Saturday, milkshake, grandma, grandpa, and delicious. You can also add few more words like the days of the week. Okay? So keep learning. Thank you. Have a good day.